Across K-12 districts, technology powers every classroom, but managing it, the devices, service requests, and systems behind the scenes, has never been more complicated. Most districts still rely on multiple systems, one for assets, another for tickets, and yet another for audits. Data is fragmented. Workflows break down. IT teams spend hours re-entering information between tools, while teachers and students wait. Leadership can't see a unified picture of cost, device health, or support performance. Managing technology this way costs time, money, and trust. What schools need isn't another system. They need one connected platform, built for education. With Asset Fusion 360, asset management begins with simplicity and scales to the entire district. Import assets individually or in bulk, bringing every device, license, and inventory item into one central database. Track complete asset life cycles from procurement to retirement, including costs, warranties, and maintenance. And it's not limited to IT hardware and software. Textbooks, musical instruments, lab kits, even buses, and classroom furniture can all be managed in one place. Perform inventory audits through RFID, tagging, and reserve assets for classrooms or district events using built-in scheduling. One system. Total visibility. Asset Fusion 360 connects seamlessly through open APIs to your existing ecosystem, from ERP systems, student information systems, and mobile device management, tools like Intune, Jamf, and Google Admin, to other legacy platforms. This ensures smooth transitions from older systems, no data loss, and real-time synchronization of users, assets, and configurations. No more manual imports, no more version mismatches. On the service side, Asset Fusion 360 delivers powerful multi-channel ticket creation capabilities. Users can raise tickets via email, web form, mobile app, WhatsApp chat, or by chatting with the built-in AI chatbot. Tickets route automatically to the right team using smart automation and preset rules. From incidents and service requests to changes in problems, the ITSM engine follows proven ITIL workflows. Dynamic dashboards and custom reports let users monitor SLAS, resolution trends, and satisfaction metrics in real time. What truly sets Asset Fusion 360 apart is how ITAM and ITSM work together. Each service ticket links directly to the related asset, so device ownership, warranty, and history are always visible. When a device is replaced or repaired, the system automatically updates both records. This seamless connection eliminates double work, ensures accuracy, and finally solves the problem of managing separate systems for assets and service. With the Asset Fusion 360 mobile app, IT staff can add or update assets, log incidents, or manage tickets on the go. Barcode scanning, quick edits, and instant lookups keep operations running, even from the field. And with Hexalytics Pulse, teams stay connected beyond the screen. Pulse delivers real-time notifications, approvals, and alerts to any compatible smart device, phones, tablets, or wearables, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Every district is unique, and so is its configuration. Asset Fusion 360 is fully configurable and scalable, adapting to both small schools and large multi-district consortiums. Customize layouts, manage business hours, define access roles, and build workflows that match your exact structure. For a large school district in Texas, USA, Asset Fusion 360 replaced two separate systems for assets and service management. With one unified view, the district reduced audit time by 45% and improved ticket resolution speed by 35%. Meanwhile, a consortium of school districts in California used Asset Fusion 360's AI and automation features to boost efficiency. Routine tickets resolve automatically, predictive analytics forecast device replacements, and inter-district collaboration has surged. Faster responses, smarter visibility, stronger accountability. Asset Fusion 360 transforms IT operations into a measurable advantage for every school. Technology should empower learning, not complicate it. Discover how your district can unify, automate, and transform.